You know, walking has always been called the king of simple exercises. It's easy, free, and something almost anyone can do. But let me ask you something honest. Have you noticed that after you hit 50, walking doesn't quite give you the same results it used to? You walk every day, maybe even hit your 10,000 steps, but your energy levels, joint stiffness or belly fat don't seem to improve the way you hoped. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And that's exactly what today's video is about. I'm going to show you 5 powerful exercises that are actually better than walking for people over 50. These are movements that not only burn calories, but also strengthen your muscles, protect your joints, improve balance, and literally help you feel younger from the inside out. So stick with me until the end, because I promise you're going to walk away with something that could change how your body feels and moves every single day. Now, before we dive into the exercises, let me quickly say this. Walking is still great. If you love it, don't stop. It's amazing for your heart, it clears your mind, and it keeps you active. But if you're relying on walking alone to stay fit after 50, you might be missing out on the kind of strength and flexibility your body truly needs as you age. Our muscles naturally start shrinking around our 40s, and by the time we're 50 or 60, we can lose up to 30% of our muscle strength if we're not doing something about it. And that muscle loss, called sarcopenia, is the reason many people start feeling weaker, slower, or notice balance issues and aches that never used to be there. The good news is you can reverse that, and the solution isn't complicated. In fact, the 5 exercises I'm about to show you can be done at home in just 15-20 minutes a day without fancy equipment. So, let's talk about the first one, and this one is an absolute game changer. It's called Bodyweight Squats. Now, I know some of you might already be thinking, oh no, my knees can't handle squats. But hear me out. When done correctly, squats are actually one of the best ways to protect your knees, not hurt them. Squats strengthen the muscles around your knees and hips, which gives you better joint support and balance. Start by standing with your feet shoulder, width apart. Keep your back straight. And lower yourself like you're about to sit on a chair. You don't have to go too deep, just enough to feel your thighs working. Slowly come back up and repeat about 10 to 15 times. You can even hold on to a chair for support if you need to. This single exercise activates your largest muscles, your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, and boosts metabolism way more effectively than walking does. Over time, you'll notice climbing stairs feels easier. Getting up from a chair doesn't require effort, and your legs feel stronger and more stable. Now, once your lower body starts feeling stronger, the next area to focus on is your core. That's your balance center, your stability zone. And believe it or not, one of the most important things you can train after 50. The second exercise is planks. And before you skip this part thinking planks are too hard, let me show you how to do a version that fits your level. Start on your hands and knees, then walk your feet back until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to heels. Keep your core tight, your neck neutral, and hold for just 10 seconds to start. Gradually build up to 20, 30, even 45 seconds. If that's too much, do a modified plank on your knees or even against a wall. The point isn't perfection, it's consistency. What's amazing about planks is that they target not just your abs, but also your shoulders, back, and hips. They build the kind of strength that helps you stand taller, move with more confidence, and reduce back pain. Plus, every second you hold a plank, your metabolism gets a small boost, and that means more calories burned, even when you're resting. All right, let's move on to number 3. One of my absolute favorites, resistance band rows. Most people over 50 tend to neglect their upper back muscles without realizing it. You see years of sitting, driving, or using phones make us hunch forward, which weakens those postural muscles and can even lead to neck pain or rounded shoulders. Rows fix that. All you need is a simple resistance band, super affordable and easy to use. Sit on the floor, loop the band around your feet, hold the ends, and pull toward your waist while keeping your elbows close to your body. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the end of the movement, then slowly release. That's 1 rep. Do this 10 to 12 times. This exercise not only strengthens your back and shoulders, but also improves your posture and breathing capacity. You'll be amazed at how quickly it makes your upper body feel more open and stable. And because it activates large muscle groups, it burns more calories per minute than walking ever could. By the way, if you've ever felt stiffness or tightness when you wake up in the morning, this next exercise will be your best friend. Number 4 is step-ups. They're simple, safe, and incredibly effective. All you need is a small step or sturdy platform. Even the bottom stair in your home works perfectly. Step up with 1 foot, then bring the other foot up to meet it. Step back down and repeat, alternating your leading leg. Start slow, and as you get comfortable, you can hold light weights or increase your step height for a greater challenge. Step-ups mimic one of the most functional human movements, climbing, and that's exactly why they're so valuable for people over 50. They strengthen your glutes, thighs, and calves, improve balance, and increase heart rate in a safe way. After just a few weeks of regular practice, you'll notice your endurance improve and your legs feel more stable when walking, standing, or even hiking. And finally, the 5th exercise, one that I always say is the secret weapon for staying young, Tai Chi or slow controlled balance training. Now, don't underestimate this one. It might look gentle and slow, but it's incredibly powerful for the body and mind. Tai Chi involves slow, deliberate movements combined with deep breathing. It enhances coordination, flexibility, and balance like nothing else. Studies have shown that regular Tai Chi practice can significantly reduce the risk of falls, improve mental focus, and even lower blood pressure. You don't have to learn the entire routine right away. Even practicing 5 minutes a day of gentle balance movements can make a noticeable difference. Stand tall, shift your weight from 1 foot to another slowly, and focus on your breathing. Feel the connection between your mind and body. This kind of mindful movement helps train your nervous system to stay calm, centered, and strong, something walking alone just doesn't offer. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, how do you fit all of this into your daily routine without feeling overwhelmed? Here's the beauty of it. You don't need to do all 5 every day. Think of it as a menu. Pick 2 or 3 on one day, then rotate through them across the week. Maybe do squats and planks on Monday, rows and step-ups on Wednesday, and finish with Tai Chi or a balance session on Friday. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. If you can commit just 20 minutes a day, you'll notice results in a few short weeks. And let's talk about results for a moment, because that's what keeps us motivated. When you start incorporating strength and balance training, something amazing happens inside your body. Your metabolism starts to wake up. You burn more calories throughout the day, even when sitting or sleeping. Your muscles begin to feel firmer. Your energy levels rise, and everyday activities like carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or gardening become effortless again. Your posture improves, your lower back pain decreases, and your mood gets a noticeable lift. All because your body is finally moving the way it was designed to move. You might also notice your blood sugar level stabilize, your heart feels stronger, and your sleep quality improves. That's because these exercises activate both your cardiovascular system and your muscle system, giving you the best of both worlds. Walking is great for the heart, but it doesn't challenge your muscles enough to maintain long-term strength. These exercises fill that gap perfectly. And here's something I really want you to remember. It's never too late to start. I've seen people in their 60s and even 70s transform their strength, posture, and confidence using just these types of exercises. One of my clients once told me, I feel like I got my body back. And that's what this is all about. Reclaiming your energy, your independence, and your sense of vitality, no matter your age. If you're nervous to start, take it 1 step at a time. Begin with modified versions. If squats are too much, do chair squats. If planks are tough, try wall planks. Progress gradually. Even small improvements compound over time. The key is to listen to your body, but don't let fear of movement hold you back. Inactivity is far more dangerous than trying and adjusting as you go. Most people assume aging automatically means slowing down, losing strength, or depending on others. But the truth is, your body is incredibly adaptable. You can rebuild strength and stamina at any age if you give it the right stimulus. These 5 exercises are that stimulus. They teach your muscles, joints, and brain to work together efficiently again. You'll notice improvements not just physically, but mentally. More clarity, better focus, and even higher confidence. And let's not forget about balance. It's one of the first things we start losing as we age, and yet it's so critical. The combination of squats, planks, and Tai Chi works wonders for balance because it strengthens both the large muscles and the stabilizers, those tiny muscles that keep you from tipping over or stumbling. Practicing these regularly will make you more steady on your feet, more coordinated, and far less likely to experience falls, one of the biggest risks after 50. Also, a little pro tip here: pair these exercises with proper hydration and a protein-rich diet. As we age, protein becomes even more essential to maintain muscle mass. Try to include lean sources like fish, eggs, lentils, and yogurt in your meals. After your workout, refuel with something light but nutritious, like a smoothie with banana, oats, and a scoop of protein powder. It'll help your muscles recover faster and build strength more effectively. And while we're talking about overall wellness, let me remind you to pay attention to your sleep. No exercise can outdo poor rest. Your body repairs itself during sleep, so give it that chance. Combine movement, nutrition, and rest, and you've got the perfect formula for aging gracefully and energetically. If you've watched till this point, it tells me you're serious about taking care of your body and health, and that's something to be proud of. You're not just trying to look younger. You're investing in your future self, your mobility, your freedom. Imagine being able to travel, play with your grandkids, and do all the things you love without joint pain or fatigue holding you back. That's what these exercises can help you achieve. So, here's what I'd love you to do next. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Take action today. Pick one exercise from this list and start right now, even if it's just for 5 minutes. You'll be amazed at how good your body feels afterward. And once you start, don't stop. Keep challenging yourself, even in small ways. You'll find that movement becomes easier, your body feels lighter, and your energy returns like it used to be years ago. Remember, walking is good, but your body deserves more. Give it strength, flexibility, and balance. That's the real formula for staying young after 50. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit that like button, because it really supports the channel and helps more people discover videos like this. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video, where I'll be sharing a simple 10-minute morning mobility routine to keep your joints feeling brand new. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of your body and keep moving forward. Because after all, age is just a number. It's your energy that truly defines you. Stay active, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.